Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. Today I have fun and new exciting things to share with you guys. Some of them are from their new summery kind of stuff. Some of them is from the new stuff they put out for like the pools and stuff, which I've already hauled stuff from them as well. New candles, new makeup, so stay tuned. We got for the pool, I cannot get this entirely in the frame, but this is a noodle kickboard. I thought that this would be a good tool in aiding how to float and stuff on his own. And he also picked up these funny, like joking around fake mustache kit. There's 7 in here. He already used one of them and they're hilarious. He loves them. Also for the pool area, we got the water squirter. I just picked up one yellow and green, and these are great for filling water balloons or just using them for a water squirter in general. But we're definitely using this for water balloons. That way you don't have to keep your water running. You just fill a bucket of water and use the squirter to fill your balloons. We also picked up another one of these. He loves these. These are the poppets. And also for the pool, we got the watermelon splash ring. And last time he got one that has like the monster, like with the teeth on it or something along those lines. He nicknamed him Chompy. But we needed an extra one. Anyways, so he picked the watermelon out. Just so cute. And then he picked out this emoji beach ball for his pool. One random item that I found that I was so excited about when I seen it, and I feel like most of you 90s kids will understand and have a love for this as well, but this is the first time I've ever seen Fruit Straps bubblegum in a pack like this, so I had to grab some. This comes so good. So good. And it probably still comes with the, yes, the tattoos as well, and you get Wet n Wild Melon, Cherry, Lemon Orange, Peach Smash Gum. I cannot wait to tear this open. I also need some new headbands, so I got these here. I found some new pins. I don't know if these are new in general, but these are new to me and I was excited to try them. They come in 12 different colors and they're the Jot brand ballpoint pins, and they have a twist off cap, and look at all these bright vivid colors. Look how pretty. I hope that they write as vibrant as they are in the containers, so I'm going to try those. And I picked up some summery stuff that they have near the front. So they had some new dish drying mats, and I enjoy their dish drying mats. This one has like a crab and a sea turtle, corals on there, and I just thought this was absolutely adorable. They do have other designs as well this year. I did pick up this really pretty seashell dish towel. And it's just a microfiber towel. Thought it was bright and fun, and it's going to be really nice in the kitchen. I also picked up one of their tablecloths, which I literally never do unless we're having like a birthday party or something along the lines of that. But this is an oblong shape, and this is what I use as a background or backdrop in all of my makeup tutorials, is the oblong tablecloths. So I usually get them at Walmart. And I pay, I don't know, $4, upwards of maybe $6 for one sometimes, just depending, but that's where I've got the majority of all of my backdrops. And today I found a tablecloth at the Dollar Tree that I really liked. It's in the oblong shape, which is what I use, and it just has really pretty tropical flowers and leaves. And if I only get this summer of filming out of it, it's not a terrible loss because it was only $1. These do feel like better quality. They have a flannel backing to them than the normal tablecloths, so I'm definitely excited to try that. One item I completely forgot, totally overlooked in this bag, is Connor's bubbles. He picked these bubbles out. I've been picking out a lot of fun summery things to do. He still loves his bubbles, so we got that today. And then I found several new candles. I did not pick them all up. I found probably 10 new candles, and out of the 10 I picked 4 out that I knew that I really liked. Now, in this first candle I'm going to share with you, in the C'est La Vie candle, it has an octopus on it. I love octopuses. They're my favorite. It's a nice minty striped. It smells okay. I'm not really looking to burn this one. They did have a navy blue striped one. They had the anchor candle. They had the mermaid candle. I chose to leave all those behind. I really just wanted the octopus, so I snatched him up. He's adorable. I did find another one of these iced tea candles, and I got the peach passion fruit. This is very strong in the glass jar, and I'm hoping that it has an amazing throw. We shall see. I always keep you guys updated on the candles. And these are new to our store as well. And there was 3 different ones to choose from in this one. I believe the other one that I did not pick up was like something bay. Something along the line. But they look like this, and they have a cork lid. And they say seaside on them. And this one is coastal pine. So it's kind of like a beachy, piney kind of scent, like the name suggests, but it smells really good. These candles would make great gifts. Don't these just look so cute? And these ones right here look like they're more than $1. If you paired this candle with like lotion or hand cream, a couple similar nail polishes, or a lip balm in a similar like minty shade, that would make the cutest little gift. This one also seaside, and I got it in Coral Sea. Now this one has kind of a faint smell, but I still really like the smell. It's kind of fruity, kind of florally, but it's not very strong, so it's kind of muted. But I wanted that one, and like I said, I left behind the one that was something bay on it. And I am happy with the 4 that I chose to bring home, and maybe next time I go they will have either new ones, or they'll have some other ones of those other ones left. As always, I try to save my favorite and best items for last, and I found a lot of new makeup items. I did not get everything that I found, but I picked the stuff that I thought that I would use, because there's no sense in purchasing a bunch of shades that I know for a fact that I just will not reach for. And I am excited to share with you guys the new LaColors stuff that I found. First, I'm going to share with you the Kiss nail polishes that I found. I always see them sometimes in kind of muted colors, not the greatest color selection at my Dollar Tree. But today I found some really nice shades that I was really drawn to, so I picked them up. And I got this one here. And I thought this was just really beautiful, everyday pinky nude shade. And it's an ash nude. Very well put together, clean kind of manicure. I think this would be beautiful for a wedding day or date night or anything like that. It's really beautiful. A job interview, this shade would be really nice on your nails. So I really like that one. These are the Gel Strong. I don't know about any of that, but thought we would give these a try. And I got Summer Rain. It's a beautiful pastel-y, purpley, almost kind of periwinkle shade. Almost. It's coming off a little bit brighter on camera than it actually is in person. This is absolutely gorgeous. And I found my favorite of the 3 that I got is this beautiful peachy coral shade, and it's actually called Coral. I'm a big fan of coral and peaches, especially in the summertime. So I was really excited for this one as well. While we're still on the line of nail polish, I picked up a new LaColors polish. Now I have a lot of holographic LaColors polishes. This one is going by the name of Unicorn Magic. It's just a very dense, packed, holographic, silvery polish. It's really packed in there, so that's what drew me to this one. It's really gorgeous. So I got that one. And this item I do not think is necessarily new, but new packaging. And I don't own many lip liners, but I did want to grab this one. It's just a nude one, so I thought I'd compare it with several different shades, really. And I got the All Natural LaColors lip liner. So I'm excited to try this. Now stay tuned, because I will have a LaColors video coming up on the highlighters. if that's not already posted. And all the new makeup here, more than likely you will see a review on, and of course there'll be swatches. If not in this video, they will be in the overall review video as well. Now, all these items I'm getting ready to share with you are new. They had several shades in both of the lines of these, but these are the ones that I chose to pick up because, like I said, I don't need to purchase a bunch of shades that I know personally I'm not going to wear. So I think that they had at least 6 different shades of lip gloss and probably 6 or more different lipsticks that I'm getting ready to share with you. But these are from their metal line. So I picked up one of these, well, 2 of these lip glosses actually. They're the metal lip glosses, and it says rich metallic color. They say there is a shiny metal finish, so we will see. And this one's in Cultured, and it's like a nude, beigey. It's coming off a bit darker than it is in person. And I don't know how well you can see, but it's just chock full of shimmery goodness. And we shall see. I'm not the biggest fan of lip glosses also, so that's why I only grabbed 2 of these. The shades range from a nude to a very dark lip, like a dark purpley lip, and there's even some metallic reds that they have to offer. So I'm definitely excited to try these. The other shade that I got in this line is Spicy, and I did see Couponing Girl haul this one, and I just loved it. I'm really into coral shades. I always have been, so I had to snatch this one up. Now for the LaColors Metal Lipsticks. Like I said, there is 6 or more shades each of these as well. I got Melted, which looks to be like a mauve shade. It's really, really pretty. This one is called Blushed, and this one is the prettiest out of all of them that I actually seen. And I don't know how well that you'll be able to see, but that has a lot of awesome metallicness going on in this lipstick here. And it's like a bright berry fuchsia kind of color. I don't even know how to describe it, but definitely like on the fuchsia side. And the last lipstick that I grabbed was in Blazed, and this is kind of like a cross between a plummy shade and kind of a red, but more plummy than anything, if that makes sense. Everything from my Dollar Tree haul. I know it wasn't much, but I found a lot of great items and I had to share them with you as soon as possible. And yeah, I cannot wait to try all these new makeup goodies and nail polishes and stuff. So stay tuned for all the swatches and review videos and stuff. And thank you guys again for watching. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls. Don't forget to check the description box below for all kinds of additional Dollar Tree links.